What are the early signs and symptoms of pancreatic cancer stage 1? The pancreas is a natural organ found behind the gut. It discharges enzymes that help in digestion, as well as hormones that help in regulating blood sugar levels. If you are suffering from pancreatic cancer, you may not be able to experience a lump or mass when you clasp on the outside of the abdomen. You may not have any symptoms until cancer has already spread. Unlike breast, colon, and prostate cancers, pancreatic cancer is not routinely detected with screening tests. Pancreatic cancer is sometimes called a silent disease. If you want to know the symptoms of pancreatic cancer, let's talk about some signs and symptoms of pancreatic cancer stage 1. Signs and symptoms of pancreatic cancer stage 1. Pancreatic cancer is usually seen in the exocrine glands, which generate enzymes that support digestion. Or, it can be found in the endocrine glands, which produce the hormones insulin and glucagon, which control blood sugar levels. There are constantly no warning signs or symptoms of pancreatic cancer in the early stages of this cancer. Pain. Pain is a sign that pancreatic cancer has spread. As cancer spreads, it can put pressure on nerves or other organs, causing pain. A blockage in the digestive tract can also cause pain. Most people with pancreatic cancer experience pain in their abdominal or back areas. Weight loss. The first symptom of pancreatic cancer is weight loss because pancreatic cancer can reduce your appetite. Some pancreatic cancers produce hormones that make it difficult for your body to get nutrients from foods. Extreme hunger or thirst. These symptoms are the warnings of diabetes, a condition where your body does not produce enough insulin to control your blood sugar. Diabetes occurs when cancer destroys the insulin-producing cells in your pancreas. Swelling, redness, and leg pain. These are signs of a blood clot in a deep vein in the leg. This is called deep vein thrombosis, DVT. A lump is periodically the first indication of pancreatic cancer. Dark urine. Bile is a yellow-brown fluid released by your liver to help your body digest food. Bile is usually stored in the gallbladder. It travels through the common bile duct into the intestines to be removed from your body via stool. But bilirubin cannot be removed when a tumor blocks the common bile duct, and too much of it builds up in your body. Enlarged gallbladder. If the common bile duct is blocked, bile can become trapped in your gallbladder. This causes the gallbladder to become more significant than usual. Your doctor may be able to feel for an enlarged gallbladder during an exam. You may also suffer from upper abdominal tenderness. Jaundice. When jaundice occurs, the skin and the white part of the eyes turn yellow. People experiencing pancreatic cancer may evolve jaundice when the tumor is in the head of the pancreas and obstructs the common bile duct. Bilirubin does not pass through the body in sufficient amounts when this blockage occurs, leading to jaundice. Causes pancreatic cancer? Pancreatic cancer occurs when mutated cells grow out of control, forming a tumor. While the exact reason for causing pancreatic cancer is unknown, some risk factors are related to the illness, including tobacco smoking and obesity. Also, people with an inherited cancer syndrome or specific genetic mutation have a higher risk of developing the disease.